Smart Fill in Google Sheets is like Flash Fill in Excel, and it is amazing. If you have a list of names that you want to separate by first name and last name, all you have to do is in the column next to the list, start typing the first names. And by the third or fourth name, when you start typing, Smart Fill will appear, and it will look like this. And it will complete the list for you. All you have to do is click on the check mark right here, and it finishes the list for you, just like that. If you do it again for the last name, it works the same way. Start typing the last name in the next column. You'll usually type 3 or 4 names, and it will appear. And there it is. There's Smart Fill. And all you have to do is click on the check mark, and it finished the list for you. You can also use Smart Fill to do last name, comma, first name. You notice that time I had to type 4 names before it appeared, but there it is. There's Smart Fill. All I have to do is click the check mark, and there's my list.